What is up, everybody? This is Carl from Techful Goodies, and today we are taking a look at the Forcemech Navigator Pro. Now, this is a robust, all-terrain wheelchair that I thought would work perfect for me. Being 6'6" and about 280 pounds, I was worried that any wheelchair that I used wouldn't be able to hold up to me and my traveling needs. For a while now, I really have needed some mobility help, and I like to go on trips with my family. My two sons, Daniel and Colton, and the rest of my family, we like to go on cruises. But the last couple cruises that I've been on, because of my mobility issues, I can walk around the ship just fine. But when I want to get off port and walk around with them and explore all the sites, and I just couldn't do it because I can't walk long distance. So when I saw this and had the opportunity to try it out and review it, I was really excited because now I have the freedom to get out and stay out as long as I want without worrying about being in pain the whole time. So going over the wheelchair itself, the unboxing was really easy. It basically comes set up. You just have to open up the box, pull out the main wheelchair itself, and then all that's left really is to add on the control box so you can control the wheelchair, position the seat pad, and get it charged up, and you're ready to go. That was really exciting for me because it does unfold and fold up in like a snap, like super quick. And now that I'm back from my trip, I wanted to be able to share the experience that I had with this wheelchair and being able to enjoy my family again on those ports or destinations that we went to. Now, the real test was the fact that I was going to be taking the wheelchair from my house in a car, on an airplane, getting off the airplane, onto the cruise line, getting into my room, storing it, getting it back off, onto the ports and driving around. And what I found was that it was easy. Very easy. And the good thing about that is that I don't want to have to worry about the wheelchair itself when I'm in transit. It was just as simple as taking two batteries out, folding it up, and you do have to take the batteries onto the plane with you, but it was a very easy thing to do to store it in the overhead compartment. So just going over a couple of notable features I think you should know about. It does have an all-directional joystick with anti-theft function. So the joystick was really easy to get used to. I'll show you a little bit of a clip of my mom actually trying this out. She is deathly afraid of mobility scooters. It's just something that has been ingrained in her whole life. When she first sat down in this actual wheelchair, she was able to control it like she'd always been riding around in it. And I think she's going to end up getting one too. But I really thought that the joystick was easy to use, all the controls were easy to use, and the speed adjustment was nice. Like I said before, it does have dual Forcemech lithium batteries. I felt like I never had a situation where I was worried about it running out of battery. The armrests raise up, which allow you to be able to get in and out of the chair easily. And I really like the tires because they are all-terrain, non-flat tires, so they handled any terrain I was going on very well. And if you're interested in any of the specs, specifically of this wheelchair, I will leave a link down below so you can go and check them out on their website. They have all the specs there, everything you'll need for travel, because this is a FAA travel and cruise ready wheelchair. I had no issues, zero issues with anything. The only thing I needed to do was provide some of the specs when I was checking the wheelchair into the airline because they needed to know specific information about it and I wanted to have that ready. So Forcemech does have multiple models of wheelchairs. I picked sort of the mid-range one that I felt would fit my travel needs. Now, it's not extremely light. It is 52 pounds without the batteries. So if you want to be able to lift it up into the car, it depends on who you are, but I found it not to be that difficult even with the batteries in there. But they do have two other models that are much lighter weight that if you want to check those out, I think they would be definitely worth the look. Now, when it comes to the looks of this wheelchair, I thought it really looked nice. It actually garnered a lot of attention from people. No one particularly asked me about it. I don't know if that's taboo or not when you see someone in a wheelchair, but I know they were definitely checking it out. And even talking with my family, you know, they thought it would be like a $10,000 wheelchair, but when looking at the price and telling them the price of it, the price point of about $2,800 was extremely surprising to them and would be very affordable if you are in a situation where you want to have that freedom to go out and about and not feel like you're always hindered. So as far as the travel that I did, Again, it was very simple. Going through the airport was very easy. Navigating around people who just aren't paying attention, it was actually very easy. And one of the things you're going to want to know is that there is 2 lock switches on the back of the chair. That takes it from a powered wheelchair to a manual wheelchair where someone can push you around. And this does have the intelligent electromagnetic braking system, so that when you do let go of the control stick, it'll automatically come to a stop, which is very nice. And if you are going downhill, it'll help to keep you under control and not let you go like out of control. You always feel like you're in control. So the first stop I went to was Puerto Rico. And if you've ever been to Old San Juan in Puerto Rico, you know that they have cobblestone roads, and they're not nice, smooth cobblestone roads. They are aggressive. So I definitely took it out and put it through its paces. My son and I walked all over the town. We went up and down, left and right, over to the fort, up into the fort, down ramps, up ramps. It was absolutely crazy how much stuff we were able to do. And the Forcemech Navigator Pro handled it like a pro. Every place that I wanted to go was pretty much accessible to me if they did have accessibility ramps. The only thing you need to remember when you are using this as a wheelchair or a mobility aid is that it is a wheelchair, right? Wheelchairs have free rotating front wheels. And that means that you are not controlling the front wheels, you are turning with the back wheel. So if you get on a slant like this, it's going to want to pull to the left down the hill. Now you can combat that by kind of adjusting the steering on the control panel. So just keep that in mind. If you are going to go on any sort of angled surface, you might want to try to avoid that in general, or go straight down or straight up it. But that's just a general function of it being a wheelchair. Another stop that I actually enjoyed and was very easy for me was St. Martin. I got off at about 10:30 and spent about 4 or 5 hours out and about just going around. I went around their main little section of shops there a few times. Then I actually got on the water taxi and took the water taxi over to the shopping area and was able to go around there for a while. And the good thing about that is that I was able to meet my friend Lisa. I hadn't seen her in a while. She was back in Maryland where I used to live, and she just happened to be in St. Martin at the same time as me. So this wheelchair provided me the option to be able to get on that water taxi, head over there, meet her and her mom, and sit down, have a drink, and enjoy them, and also be able to go around afterwards, look at a couple things, and head back to the ship without any issue. So again, this was the Forcemech Navigator Pro. I was really, really impressed. I didn't have any issues with it at all. And I can say confidently now that if I go on a trip with my family, this is the first thing I'm getting ready to take with me, because the ability to get out and enjoy those ports and enjoy the time with my family was just completely and utterly priceless to me. If this helped you out, I would appreciate a like or a subscribe. I'd love to see you back. But until next time, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.